ओके सो लेट्स मेक दिस क्यूट लिटिल किचन टुगेदर। ये मुझे एक ऑर्डर बनानी है। ऑनेस्टली ये मैं फर्स्ट टाइम बना रही हूँ। आई एम ऑलरेडी ऑब्सेस्ड विद हाउ इट्स टर्निंग आउट, सो लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड। Okay, so first I'm taking these pipe cleaners and folding them like this. We basically need to make these small little logs because these are what will give our kitchen that cute fluffy look. I'm trying to keep all the pieces around the same size so everything looks neat and even at the end. It does take a little bit of time, but honestly this part is so satisfying to make. Then I'm taking two pipe cleaners and fold it together like this, and then I'm taking yellow pipe cleaner and fold it. Now we are getting to the fun part. I'm taking these green pipe cleaners and tossing them over each other and then twisting them together to create this shape. I'm doing it slowly and carefully because I want everything to look nice and even. And honestly, I'm already loving how this is starting to come together. Now that all the pieces are ready, it's time to bring everything together. I'm carefully arranging these flowers and connecting them one by one. Now it's time to make the little bracelet that goes with our keychain. I'm using the ribbon as a base and adding the beads one by one. I am keeping the bead pattern simple because I want it to look cute but still match the keychain perfectly. It does take a little time to add each bead, but I actually love watching the design come together step by step. And finally the bracelet is complete. I am really happy with how it turned out and I think it's going to look so pretty attached to the keychain. Now we just have to put all the pieces together and see the final result. And finally, here's the finished keychain. Honestly love how this turned out. The little flower, the beads, the bracelet all comes together so perfectly. It started from just a few simple pieces and now look at the final result. I'm literally obsessed with how cute it's look. What do you guys think of this one? Will you order one for yourself? Thank you so much for watching. If you like this little keychain, don't forget to like the video and follow for more cute handmade creations. See you in the next one. Bye.